We want to find the equation of the tangent at the point where x is pi by 3 to the curve y is x squared times sine 2x. Let's consider when x is pi by 3. When x is pi by 3, y is going to be pi by 3 all squared times the sine of 2 pi by 3. This is pi squared divided by 9, and the sine of 2 pi by 3 is the sine of 120 degrees, which you should know is root 3 over 2. So we have pi squared root 3 over 18. So this point on the curve, where we draw the tangent, is at pi by 3, pi squared root 3 over 18. We next need the gradient. Our function is a product, so u is x squared and v is sine 2x. We need du dx, and this is 2x. We also need dv dx. Using the chain rule, differentiate sine, we get cos, and then multiply by the differential of the inside function. So this gives us 2 cos 2x. Using the product formula, dy dx is v times du dx plus u times dv dx. dy dx is the gradient function. We want the gradient where x is pi by 3. So substitute in. The gradient is going to be 2 times pi by 3 times the sine of 2 pi by 3 added to 2 times pi by 3 squared, which is pi squared by 9, times the cosine of 2 pi by 3. The sine of 2 pi by 3 is the sine of 120, which is root 3 over 2. The cosine of 2 pi by 3, the cosine of 120, is minus a half. So tidying, these 2's cancel, and we get pi root 3 over 3. The 2's cancel here, and so we get minus pi squared by 9. This is the gradient of our tangent. We have the gradient and a point, so we can use y equals mx plus c to find the value of c. So we get pi squared root 3 over 18 is equal to pi root 3 over 3, take away pi squared over 9, times pi by 3 plus c. We need to expand the bracket, so pi squared root 3 over 18 is going to be pi squared root 3 over 9, take away pi cubed over 27 plus c. We want the c on its own. Adding pi cubed over 27 to both sides and subtracting pi squared root 3 over 9 from both sides will give us pi cubed over 27, and pi squared root 3 over 9 is twice pi squared root 3 over 18, so this will give us minus pi squared root 3 over 18. So we have m and c, so our straight line is y is equal to a pi root 3 over 3, take away pi squared over 9 times x, plus pi cubed over 27, take away pi squared root 3 over 18.